Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Today, we are going to learn Unit 3 Prose, a visitor from distant lands. Let us see the characters of the story. Mani, he is the main character of the story. Mani's father, Mani's mother, and Mani's sister Selvi. Now, let's start the story. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. One day, Mani's mother served potato curry. Mani liked only a few vegetables, potatoes and lady's finger. But Mani said, I don't want to eat potato today because they are foreign vegetables. Selvi said, No, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. Mani said to father, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. My teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. Sylvie asked, What else did your teacher tell you? And she also told us to use things made in our country. Amma said, Then you cannot eat popcorn. Mani's father said, You cannot order tomato soup or even pineapple juice also. Why? Why I can't eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to do? Amma said, Don't you know that corn, tomatoes, and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries? Selvi asked, Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get an aeroplane and come here? Father said, No. Some merchants brought them here long ago by merchants means people who trade. Trade means vanigam செய்வது. People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. Children, do you know what is spices? Yes. In Tamil we say மசாலா. அம்மா வீட்டில் டேஸ்ட்டாக சமைக்கும் போது யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, டேஸ்ட்டுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? மசாலா. இந்த மசாலாவை ஆட் பண்ணுறதால தான் நம்மளுக்கு டேஸ்டியான ஃபுட் கிடைக்கிது. ஸோ ஃபாரினர்ஸ் ஆல்சோ கேம் டு இந்தியா இன் சர்ச் ஆஃப் ஸ்பைசஸ். இந்த ஸ்பைசஸ் மூலயமா தான் நமக்கும் ஃபாரினர்ஸ்க்கும் ஒரு வணிக தொடர்பு ஏற்பட்டுச்சு. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. When he reached Kozhikode and found black pepper, and he took a lot of pepper back to their country. Many merchants came to India in search of spices and took lot of spices from India. Like this, they also introduced many of their native vegetables to India. Vegetables from abroad were potatoes, lady's finger, tomatoes, and chili. Mani asked his father, Okay, Daddy, but who brought the vegetables into India? His father said, The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Selvi pulled a long green chili out of the curry. Mother said, Careful, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitor. Selvi asked, Who is our foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. Mani said, "No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili." Chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. Actually, he was looking for India, but he went to South America and found the chili. It was as spicy as the black pepper, and so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country. Chilies was introduced to India through the Portuguese. In India, chili was first brought into Goa. Before that, pepper was used in cooking. Chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. Soon there were many different kinds of chilies. Some were long and thin, and some were fat and stubby. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use these in their cooking. Soon it spread to many other parts of the world. Selvi and Mani looked at the chili on their plate and said, "What a long distance you have traveled, and how you make our food delicious. So, to waste you would be very bad. So, we are going to eat you." "Ah, it's hot and spicy," they shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. Children, now we come to the end of his story. Let's recap the story with the help of the mind map. Mani's family lives in Chenji, Viluppuram district. Mani likes only few vegetables like potatoes and ladies' fingers. One day he refused to eat potatoes as they are foreign vegetables. Then Mani and his sister Selvi come to know more about foreign vegetables. They also learnt about the sailor Vasco da Gama and Christopher Columbus who sailed in search of spices. And they learnt the Portuguese brought the vegetables like potatoes, chilies to India. Hope you all have understood this lesson. Thank you.